Begin tonight with a legal victory for advocates of same-sex marriage.
A federal court has ordered Ohio to recognize a second same-sex marriage. But as 9 on Your Side reporter Scott Wegener tells us, the plaintiff didn't take the action so he could celebrate.
Attorney Al Gerhardstein says it was only a matter of time before same-sex couples would seek out the federal courts to navigate a growing legal quagmire for recognition. It began with James Obergefell and his terminally ill partner, John Arthur. They were wed in Maryland, a state that recognizes same-sex marriage. But they live in Ohio, which doesn't. The U.S. District Court ordered Ohio to immediately recognize their marriage for a very specific purpose.
The death certificate will reflect that he is married and that James is his surviving spouse.
But Arthur and Obergefell aren't the only same-sex couples dealing with issues of death. In a memorandum to the court, they moved to add David Michener as a plaintiff. He, too, was married in a state that recognizes same-sex couples. Then his spouse, William Herbert Ives, passed away suddenly.
The death of one partner has caused us to go back to court because the remaining partner wants to cremate his partner. He wants to honor his wishes, and we needed a court order to get a death certificate that set it right.
The court agreed, and Ohio has again been ordered to honor the marriage for purposes of a death certificate. Incongruities among federal and various state laws continue to mount. Gerhardstein says such things will take time.
And we will try and tackle them one by one.
Scott Wegener, 9 on Your Side, Cincinnati.
Ohio Attorney General Mike DeWine says he will defend the Constitution of the state of Ohio that defines marriage as between a man and a woman.